Guys, what's up? And today we're gonna check out Animal Company's new update because I just heard that they had a new update. What the fuck the hell? What is the hell? What's this? This is cool. Also gay. The office, loading world, blah 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 blah. Okay, we're in. What the fuck?
Everyone, let's play tag. Let's play tag with Forrest. Give it.
Pop-ups? Can I like? Oh, I want that. What? Really? Really? No, unlimited. What the hell? Why isn't that showing? Is that just okay? I'm gonna put a hit. Shot on my hip. Cheese. Wait, there's cheese. What happens if I eat it? I'm smelly now. Well, we'll check every map. So the only map that I see gets updated every single time is sewers. It is probably the most updated map out of all of them. So I'm surprised to see if this is like another map. So what the? Why are there so much chickens in here? I've never seen this much chicken. What the fucking bitch? Is that an ogre? What? Well, let me just see if I can. Oh my god, the chicken's over here. So looks like we're deep dark forces. We know one thing that I can't go mining anymore. Oh, what if it's reversed? What if sewers is what if sewers is in the forest and forest is in the sewers? Wait, what? Yeah, I made no sense saying that. But I guess you can't really get a hook shot no more, and you can't go to foundations because that's gone. But yeah, just okay. So, what the fuck? Okay, this is kind of crazy. Yeah, let's go ahead and go heading over to here because they could chalk here. We could chalk. We could check there. You know the normal. They could have removed big items, so they might be rare. Let's go ahead and check up here because I have a bring back my full of boom boxes, thinking that they would one day remove. Boombox. No, it's not. That just fade through. Okay, cool. I like that. I like the fact that it did that. That's really funny. I don't know when they're ever gonna make like. Oh, they should make an animation like doors seek, like you hit it or you hit it with or like stand on it. It'll come out of the ground like in a very scary theme song plays like, and then he'll have like a line like, "You bitch," and it starts chasing after you. I guess there's dark forward. Why is nothing getting dark? Oh! Wait, this is a different type of series, I thought. Ooh, tentacle, meatball man. What? Oh, this is the real sewers, okay. Oh, I get it. Wait, what am I touching him? I'm touching him. Because I saw... I've already been in this update. I just logged out and didn't happen, but... I saw people tag people with the stinky, so... Oh, we could do that with launchers. Those just run in different directions. Mimic just off. Yeah, Mimic can't get me up here. Try me, Mimic. Bit. Okay, so I guess the bomb and the flags are probably here. Why is he there? That's kind of scaring me. Why are you right there? Okay, I guess you can get a hook shot. Oh my god, he's right there. That scared the shit out of me. Oh my god. That actually scared the crap out of me. I'm so terrified. Huzzah. I guess we could go to try and find nuh-uh. When we don't have pickaxe, it's basically useless, so maybe the hook shot places? Yeah, I mean, we can check out all the different stuff. I already mentioned that one. My friend said there's nothing really bad with this one. He's already been in this update, saying you should make a video about this update. So I was like, yeah, let's do that. But my friend's already been in, not pretty much every single tunnel, but he went to sewers and said, oh my god, she go in this tunnel and blah blah blah. There's not really anything here. I guess the hook shots really same thing. They didn't really add anything there. Oh, and you come back here. You know what? Not a bad update, if I say so myself. I first hated it because of the stupid pop-ups, but now it's really not a bad update. I mean, I like the fact that it's just a stinky cheese. This cheese is actually very delicious. No, I'm not trying to do that to be funny. It's actually very delicious. I'm not kidding. One part I hate about it is because new players want to go mining, so they go over there when you're meant to go over here in reality. It's so confused. People say you want to go to sewers, then I'm gonna be like, hell yeah, I do. And then you know, you go to sewers. The ogre's just chilling there, like, what up, man? What's up, my guy? How you doing? I'm just gonna take you, and then I'm gonna throw you, and I'm gonna crush you, rip you apart. So what the ogre's meant to do? You know where the ogre's meant to be is what I meant. Did I just hear? I don't know if I'm hallucinating, but I did hear that. So office thing's right here. What's down the hole? You know what? Okay, I guess the elevator's down here. We could go to like ducks, or we could go to you couldn't even. I was looking at you. Oh my god. Just gonna head out of here if you don't mind. How is she there? How? Nope. Nope. Come on, elevator! Yeah. Stupid bitch. I'm out of here. Imagine this should. Wait, there should be like an April Fool's elevator that you get in it. Wait, why? Why was he right there? He had to be. He could have been anywhere. He was right there. That was fucking scary. He could have been anywhere. The first place he was, right there. But that legit scared the shit out of me, and I'm not even kidding.
I'll give you an RPG for it. Ew, I'm stinky. Oh no! Junior!
I've been hacked? Oh, okay. So that guy is scary as fuck. Apparently there's a pickaxe retexture, but I bought some and I don't think there's any of them. Oh, and they changed the TV too, so they removed the time bomb, so it's rare to have one today. They removed the time bomb. I can even show you guys. Let me just. I don't even have a time bomb. I don't have one. I do not have one at all. Yeah, I'm gonna bring a revolver, you know, just in case, like. Just bringing a revolver, just wasn't special at all. Other than for a special occasion, just going to office, why not? You need to check around. There's a fire thing. What if I pull that? That would be so good if I could. Okay, I'm taking my revolver. And these face monsters, they have no chill. Those face monsters, they have no chill. I asked them to go get a bean burrito for me yesterday. They said, hell nah, bitch, I'm gonna eat you. I said, nah. But you're where you had to be. It had to be right there. I just need to explore around. I can't do that. Ready? I arrived there, and I see his ass chilling. Like, what up? What you doing? And I was absolutely fucking terrified. I am gonna get up here just for safety and see if this must. Okay. Oh, this is duck. Oh wait, revolver ammo. That's actually good. I'm gonna take that. Oh yes, this is ducks. Okay, so they just have ducks over here, so you can get that. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get the hell out of here because I'm too terrified to even be here. Will officially see me out of that hole. I am never coming back here. Good riddance. Fuck you. But, wait, no. They should actually add like an April elevator. I'm not even kidding. Please do. Like future update, please. Oh, come on. I mean, I got revolver ammo for free, so not bad. Huh? Yeah, you guys, do this next time. Wait, why does that work? Cool, I never know you could use your wrist to do that, but it wasn't always feasible. Let's go into public lobbies and see what people say and have and whatever. When you do this, it kind of disappears.
You want to add me? Is it actually just straight up? What's your name? Micro match.
Your dirty shoes in
Oh my god, no.
Except I have a little hat.
Baby, bang
Thank
it
you for
up.
holding me happy. I appreciate
You're
it.
invisible. I can't see you. Okay, I'm gonna go join a random code. Oh, well, I just have an elf hat.
Hey, yo! Diddy, bro.
I've been waiting for cheese.
Yo! Why is there so many just
Me
random
too.
Are you a
guys
victim
popping
of-
up on my thing? Yo, get on my
Press
face!
up with your hand.
I'm a trained
I
cave
will.
diver. I'm an
I
expert.
already
I'll
No,
grab
you're
that
not. I
cheese.
dare
I
to
have
cave
2
dive.
cheeses.
Calm down, little brother.
You took the cheese already.
My screen!
No, I have 2. Not yet. It didn't spawn.
Can I have the cheese?
Oh my
No.
god!
You can get him in any server, even if it's private.
Yeah.
How do you guys get the cheese? How do you guys get the cheese?
It's right over here. Join the club. Oh,
I wanna get cheese. Can someone give me the cheese?
You got your grappler.
what do you mean?
Oh, you almost killed me,
Bravo.
buddy! You almost killed me!
That's what he's kind of aiming
What
to.
cheese, bro?
He's trying to kill you.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's right over here.
What's that eye? What's that about? I need to see that.
I just got another crate.
What do you mean you got another crate? What do you mean by that? What does bro mean by he got another crate?
You're gonna let it go. You're gonna instantly let it
Wait,
go.
what did you even put in
You're
there?
like, keep letting it go. You choose.
A full shredder.
free item?
Oh,
A
Y'all
full
are twiddling your
shredder.
fingers.
Bet.
Y'all are twiddling your fingers right now. So goofy. You have, oh, yeah.
oh, damn, nice.
Touchy, 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 touchy.
Judging. I forgot the name of it.
Wait, if I don't my
Wait, what are
what is
crossbows meant to shoot?
Yeah. Wait, I
Arrows,
forgot the
but
name of it.
nobody follows that rule. Me has big heart gun.
You can go to a private server and.
Did you know that I can just take the cheese from here?
What does cheese do?
The guy at Armstrong, I'm just at the bottom.
What does cheese do, bro?
It just gives you the cheese touch.
What's the
And
flippy?
I feel like it might be gone till April.
What are you
So,
doing?
Guys, how do you
Yeah.
connect? How do you connect nodes?
Yo,
It said, like,
give it to
connect a
me.
node.
Touch
Could you
me.
kill Armstrong over here? Can you kill?
I got
Touch me. I got the cheese touch. I got the cheese touch. No.
I got the cheese.
Yeah, I got the cheese touch.
Can anybody tell me how to connect
How long am I gonna
nodes?
be even waiting here?
I
I
do.
do.
Connect nodes in like the place over there.
I have outsmarted you, haven't
It
I?
actually spawns right here, but
Yo, bro, can I trade for that RPG?
Nah, pretty sure it's right over here.
A different one.
Like what?
Wash my
Like it says, do this item, you have to connect nodes.
shoes.
whenever it does.
In my washing when she
Shut up.
baby bring it up inside.
Tim
Yeah, I'm
cheese.
done with this, bro.
Does anybody know what nodes are?
Ah.
You lose. That thing used to be like bus.
I love the PvP. Just PvP.
Hey, do the cheese that's
Every time it does damage, it hurts.
It's taken a very long time. You know, I
No,
can just do this.
it goes to each lobby you go in. It goes to
Does
each.
anybody want this cheese touch that I have?
I'll take it.
I have 2 cheese.
I'll take it.
Yo, I need some food.
That has cheeses in it. This has cheeses in it.
I Double hook shot.
Bro, they're so dumb.
If anyone has galaxies, I'll trade anything for them.
Have what?
Guys, what's about this update? Basically.
It's
Give me my order
And
back.
your mom.
Oh, you got the cheese. Nice.
Cheese.
It's
Somebody give me the cheese touch. Bet you can't get me.
cheese
My hand.
Full of what?
I have a bag full of galaxy.
Stop
Oh,
it.
fuck.
You being mean. You being mean. There's no ammo.
Oh, you already have? Huh? How much people have it?
You.
Oh.
Yo, could you get my stuff? Can you get my stuff?
The guy was at Armstrong. I got your stuff back.
Take it. Okay, can you bring it back? Can you bring it back? I want to sell it.
I can't.
I'll get all 3 of you guys. Stop it!
Why not?
Guys,
Come on, Nick.
I hate you guys.
I'm sorry. My graphics like it lagged out now every time I use it. There's so much fun in my game.
I have to get this thing.
God, I have this cheese touch. Okay, you get the graphics. I got your stuff, don't worry. Okay, thanks. So come back.
Hey, give me my cheese touch back.
I'm gonna be waiting
Just eat more cheese, dumbass.
Just come back because I can't get it because it's way too heavy.
And that's gonna be it for today's video. And if I was, this is gonna be it for today's video. Goodbye.